My name is Isaac. I'm in Los Angeles. Today's March 21st, 2020. I have a bunch of friends that are on the front lines in hospitals right now treating COVID-19 patients, and they're running dangerously low on supplies. They're literally days away from being completely out of personal protective gear, and that's a huge problem. So trying to come up with creative solutions of how to furnish the tools that they need, the supplies that they need, besides collecting whatever's out there. There are people out there stitching fabric masks for them right now, which is fantastic. We all kind of need to do what we can do. Staying home is one of those big things. They're working all hours of the day and night. All we have to do is stay home. In addition to that, if we can help more, I'm going to show you in under 60 seconds how to make a personal protective face shield out of 4 parts. You may be able to procure all of them around your house. You may need to buy a couple of those parts. I'll provide links below as to where you can, who you can contact to get them to the people that need them. That said, here we go. We got a single headband. This is actually very comfy to wear. I've got 2 pins. These could be anything that will secure something, a plastic sheet, to that headband. They don't have to have the backing on them. These happen to. You could use small screws with nuts on the back of them, and then you need a clear plastic sheet. And this one literally came off of an iPad screen cover. So I took these. You can see that you can find other plastic sheets from other places. Made this one as well, just by cutting this box apart. And once you put all of them together, you have a comfy face shield that doesn't fog up very much. And so the key with the plastic sheet is to find something that is relatively rigid, but also flexes. And once it flexes, you'll see that it really holds its shape nicely. You can move around. It's really important to try and help protect them so that they can protect us. These are people too. Staying at home is the best thing that we can do. If we can help with this as well, they're needed by the hundreds or thousands by the week. Thank you very much. One other bit. With these guys, I'm thinking about using overhead projector sheets as well. If you modify the idea, you come up with something else that works better, message me, post it at the bottom here. Literally anything that we can do to help right now. The open source community has been incredible. That's what we have to do. Thanks.